Hello and welcome back, everyone. Although robotic pool cleaners are more expensive, they are also the simplest to operate. We tested several models of robotic pool cleaners in our homes to see which ones are the best. We assessed each model according to 4 criteria after utilizing the provided models multiple times over the period of a few months: value, design, usability, and efficacy. So let's get started. Dolphin Premiere. This Dolphin pool cleaner will significantly improve pools that frequently fill with trash. With its dual scrubbing brushes, this extremely potent cleaner will thoroughly clean your pool in 3 hours. It can even remove a stray pool toy. In addition to being long and resistant to tangling, the long cable makes it easier for the cleaner to glide over the entire pool and clean it thoroughly but gently. The robot only takes a few seconds to start up, and even with its considerable power, we discovered that it is lightweight and manageable. In addition, the handles allow the robot to self-right when it becomes stuck, and you can choose from 3 different filter options to achieve the exact kind of cleaning you desire. There aren't many more functions on this cleaner, and it lacks a remote and an app. Nevertheless, you may use its interface to schedule weekly cleanings and monitor the status of the filter via an indicator light. In the end, it's a significant expense, but if your pool has a lot of garbage, it really helps. AIPER Scuba SE. This minimal yet effective tool is perfect for above-ground and flat-floored in-ground pools, given that it can effortlessly clean pools up to 860 square feet and offers excellent cleaning for 90 minutes. Because of its design, the pool vacuum can clean more effectively while using less electricity for propulsion. A seamless, comprehensive, automated cleaning experience with no confusion. With just 1 click to activate, it frees up your hands entirely. The Scuba SE pool cleaner is entirely cordless, so there are no tangled or twisted wires like with other models. Compared to corded cleaners, it is also simpler to store and lighter. Additionally, the Scuba SE will automatically park close to your pool's edge when its battery runs low, making it simple to retrieve without getting wet. Also, for enhanced portability, the Scuba SE now features an advanced water purging system that can drain up to 80% of stored water in just 15 seconds. Ybot S1. The Ybot pool vacuum robot sees your pool thanks to its sophisticated gyroscopes and depth sensors, and it then uses this information to choose the best cleaning route. It can easily scale pool walls, guaranteeing complete cleaning without becoming tangled. It can intelligently self-rescue, so it won't become caught at the drain either. 90% of the pool is impressively covered by the Ybot cordless pool cleaner robot. Also, effectively cleans the walls, waterline, and pool floor in addition to the floor, guaranteeing a complete and comprehensive cleaning experience. Also, you can use the Ybot app to choose the process. To target particular areas, choose from 6 different cleaning paths and a variety of cleaning modes, such as floor, wall, waterline, and combination modes. It lets you enjoy a customized cleaning experience by personalizing the cleaning to meet the specific needs of your pool. This pool robot captures dirt, sand, leaves, and debris with double the suction power thanks to its triple powerful motors and 2 sturdy roller brushes. Beatbot AquaSense Pro. The AquaSense Pro pool vacuum cleaner's quad-core 1.8 GHz processor, 20 sensors, and artificial intelligence algorithms enable the CleverNav intelligent navigation system to provide optimal cleaning coverage. Using SonicSense obstacle avoidance in conjunction with its accurate mapping of your above-ground and in-ground pool, it maximizes the cleaning path and ensures effective navigation even in the most intricate pool situations. With this cleaner, Retrieval will be as simple as a seagull returning to shore thanks to its intelligent auto-return feature. Also, retrieving your pool cleaner robot is now lighter and simpler than ever thanks to surface parking and automatic water release mechanisms. Fishing is not necessary. With a powerful suction of up to 5,500 GPH, its sturdy 200W brushless main pump motor efficiently ascends walls and eliminates dirt. In addition, the robotic pool vacuum cleaner has dual-track drive, dual-layer 150 mm ultra-fine filtration, and 2K2 independent roller brushes. It provides better cleaning effectiveness and mobility. On top of that, the robot's cleaning paths, cleaning records, 4 cleaning modes, and OTA performance software upgrades are all included in the Beatbot app's customized cleaning services. Like a dolphin gliding over the ocean, the AquaSense Pro robotic pool cleaner has an unsurpassed cleaning capability and coverage, thanks to its hydrodynamic submarine-inspired propulsion design, which allows it to dive into the water and drive itself on the surface. CoasTeering. With its 2 motors, dual suction ports, and dual brushes, this CoasTeering Planet pool vacuum robot efficiently cleans the pool with a powerful suction. It also has no trouble locating and removing the majority of dust, debris, leaves, sand, and tiny stones. With its additional 4,000 mAh high-capacity battery, which covers an amazing 850 square feet on a single charge and takes just 2.5 hours to fully charge, it can clean for over 100 minutes. This implies that you won't have to worry about it running out of electricity to do a thorough cleaning. Also, the CoasTeering Pool Cleaner robot with increased power saving and hydrodynamic technology guarantees a complete and effective clean each and every time. It also has an enhanced filtration system. With less manual upkeep, this vacuum can also clean the pool automatically. When the battery is almost empty, it will stop on its own somewhere close to the edge of your pool. Even for inexperienced users, scheduling it to clear everyday dirt and debris is simple. Therefore, this pool vacuum is the ideal option whether you have an in-ground pool without any slopes or an above-ground pool with a flat surface. Betta SE. Due to its built-in solar panel, the Betta SE functions continuously and completely autonomously, in contrast to many other cordless robotic pool cleaners that require user interaction to recharge. Unlike most robotic pool cleaners, the Betta SE is limited to swimming pools and cannot remove algae or other underwater accumulation from the walls and floors of the pool. Nonetheless, it provides constant surface cleaning, keeping pools clear of floating leaves, insects, pollen, and other material that could eventually sink and add to underwater buildup. The UV light-resistant body of the Betta SE permits an extended operation life at the surface of the pool while the sun is shining. However, it may have difficulties running in overcast situations and require frequent charging breaks when not in direct sunlight.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.